how to post on Metricool. So first, go to Metricool, and then of course, for example, I want to post on my Facebook page. So what you need to do is just click on planning here and make sure your Facebook page is connected to your account. So next here, just click on create post, and then just type in anything here. So I'll just type in anything. So for example, I'll just type in post 1, and then for example, you can also add multimedia here among these options here. And then for example, I'm done creating or customizing my post, right? So what you need to do is just click on the arrow here, and then you can choose publish now, or you can also schedule your post. So let's say I want to publish it now, just click on publish now, then just click on publish now again. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.